Hello guys, this is an update which came in yesterday. I hope you have already seen it. Just like 2020 prelims, UPSC gave a chance to change your exam center because of the various reasons and various situations of COVID pandemic. You can change your exam center, and 4 new centers have come. Not everywhere, like it's in, I think, in Gujarat and Uttarakhand. So that also I'll show you where it is. So this, please go to the UPSC website so that you know all these things. Okay. In UPSC website, always in the front there will be a yellow color scrolling and also this right side scrolling. Okay, this is where all the updates will come. So when you click on here, like view all, whatever is there, okay, the latest one it will show here. So the important notice for candidates to submit choice of center in respect of CSC and IOFS exam. Okay, because Indian Forest and CS, you know, it is the same this thing, same prelims. Okay, so here if you see, it's an update which came in 9th July. The UPSC will be conducting the civil service exam including the Indian Forest Service on 10/10, that is October 10, all over India as per the revised program. So there's no change in the date and all. Okay, that will remain the same. So don't expect like again postponement. Keeping in view the large number of candidates of the civil service exam 2021, including forest, and the fact that the commission has recently decided to operate 4 additional centers, that is Almora and Srinagar if you see, that is in Uttarakhand, then Nasik in Maharashtra, and Surat in Gujarat for the civil service exam. Okay, so these reasons are also there because of which they are updating it. They are allowing you to update it. The commission has now decided to submit their revised choice of center. The request of the candidates for change in centers will be considered against the capacity intimated by the centers for accommodating this thing. So there will be like limited thing only. Don't expect like any number of people can go and take one particular center. The window will open in 2 phases, that is 12th to 19th July and 26th to 30th July. So when you do it earlier, that is better if you want to change. Okay, if you don't want to change, don't touch anything, don't do anything. Whatever you applied in February month when you did the initial application, that is more than enough. Don't ask questions like, sir, should I go and change? It is nothing like should you go and change. It's like if you want, go and change, else don't even ask silly questions here. Okay, so this go to this window and this thing, as I told, on 12th only it will open. And if you see down, the candidates may please note that their request for change in the centers will be considered based on the principle of first apply, first allot basis, which is followed in all the examinations of the commission and was mentioned in the examination notice also. Okay, and many people now like are thinking like to prepare for 2021. You cannot. Okay, I mean, if you did not apply in the first place, then you cannot do anything. So please don't tell like, okay, now we got time, let me prepare. If you are having this dream now, you have to prepare for 2022 exam, not the 2021. Okay, your application cannot be done now. And again, if you see, as and when the centers get full, it will be frozen. So when you go and check again, okay, if suppose you are looking for a center and if it is frozen, it is not showing in the drop down, that means that center is already full. Okay, so there is no other option for that. So faster you do, faster you have a chance to change your center, because now most of you are in your hometown, you are not in Delhi, you are not in any other place or where your exam center is there. So you may need to change it to your hometown. So that is why this window is being given. Last year it was given and they conducted the exam on time. Don't expect any more change. Okay, and all the eligibility conditions, everything is given in the notification itself. So again, don't ask like, sir, my age crossed because the timeline changed. Nothing matters. Whatever was the age qualification criteria which was given in the initial notification, that will apply. No matter this exam gets how much ever postponed, they will not, just because the date now crossed, they will not disqualify you. Okay, whatever was given in the initial notification, that is your qualification. Okay, I hope all that is clear. Okay, and whoever is preparing, and if you need test series or something, you can contact us. Okay, everything is being done. Even now I am working on the economic survey, okay, which will be out in the next week. So whoever want to enroll to economic survey also can do, because I am reading each and every line more than what I prepare in the test. Nothing else will come in the exam. Okay, because last year also we gave a test series for economic survey, and 2 questions came from economic survey directly, and both of them were there in my test. This year also whatever they ask will be there in my test, because I am reading line by line. Okay, I am doing volume 2 now. If possible, we'll do a video series also on this because it's interesting. Okay, so I hope you got the information. I'll wind up this video. Thank you and have a nice day.